Here is what the Freestyle Libre looks like. It is a 14-day monitor. One of the first steps we're gonna do, obviously after opening, is we are going to clean and disinfect the area where you wanna place the sensor on. I'm gonna choose an area that you have more subcutaneous fat under. The actual process is very simple. Come with 3 parts to this. It's mainly the instructions, the sensor, and the applicator. That is it. We're gonna completely open up the sensor. You're going to take your sensor, which is going on your arm. You're gonna take the applicator. You're going to align them. See how you can turn it. There's only one place where you can actually feel it go inserted. Then you push in, you pull out, and you have the sensor ready to be placed in. You see the little needle-like filament there? All you do, the softest part of my arm, and then I'm gonna insert it, okay? Ready? So if you need guidance on managing your health, check out the link in bio.